So now we need to call these three functions in our code so we can actually download them, because we have the functions but we are not calling them. I'm going to do it in my view did appear so we can test how it works right now. Actually, I did a mistake by deleting my previous code from this function because we're gonna need it. So let's create a weather view. We are going to instantiate a new weather view, and then I'm going to set the frame. And this is gonna be equals to CG rect. Then we need the x, y, width, and height. So the x, y will be 0. Width is gonna be our weather scroll view dot bounds dot width, and weather scroll view dot bounds dot height. So we have our frame here. Then we want to say weather scroll view dot add subview, and we add our weather view here. Now that we have our weather view, we can call these functions. So we just pass our weather view, and we give our weather view to our function. Then we have our get weekly weather, and finally we have get hourly weather, and we pass our weather view as well. So if I run my application, we should see that we have our information populated. So the top is working. Let's see. All right, I have a small mistake here. Apart from get current weather, where we are refreshing data, for our get weekly and get hourly weather, since we want to refresh the table view and not the information, because we are setting the data source with the new information, so we need to refresh our table views and our collection views. So in the weekly case, I'm going to say, so I need to access the table view because we need to refresh it. We just set the new data parameters. I say reload data, and for our daily forecast, we need to access our collection view, which is our hourly collection view actually. So say hourly collection view, reload data, so our collection view refreshes itself. So if I run again, we should see that our information is being populated, and we have an error here. Let's see what our error says here. And usually when you have this type of errors, it shows Sigebert. So it means something is wrong with our user interface. So if I check, it says could not cast value of type weather plus info collection view cell to weather plus forecast collection view cell. So the problem is related to our info and collection view cells. Let's see where is our mistake here. So our collection view here for sure is hourly collection view, because the error stops here, and also we are refreshing our hourly collection view. So if we move up where we are actually setting up this hourly collection view, we can see this setup function, and then we have info collection. Okay, I already found my mistake here. I see in both functions, setup hourly and setup info collection view, I am setting up a hourly collection view here. So we have done this twice. So what we need to do here is to say info collection view, and this info collection view delegate. So let's rerun our application. And you can see that our cells are populated. We don't see the text because they are white. So let's see if we can do it quickly in our view here. So if I select my collection view, if I go here and change the background color to be like light gray, Let's just rerun to see if this works. All right, now we can see our text, and the same thing we need to do with our table view. So let's go to our weather table view, cell XIP, and I'm going to select my content view, which is my background, and background should be clear color, and let's rerun. Nope. Let's also fix our table view. I'm not sure what color is this one here. All right, the background is white, so let's set it to light gray. No, let's set this background to be a clear color. And where is our separator is default. Okay, let's keep it. Just quickly rerun to see if this will work. There is something wrong with my cell here. So our content view tint, let me check my notes here. And let's set this one to be a dark gray color, and hopefully this time it will work. No. All right, you can see when I select, the information is there. I will check why it's like this, but you can see that our collection view, we can scroll and we have all the information about every hour, and this we will fix in a minute. So this information is working, it's provided correctly, and I need also to fix these background things so we have our user interface properly set. So every day you can see like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Here we need to fix our scroll view, but the information is there, and we can see our image and everything is working as it should. So we just need to fix our user interface, which we are going to do in our next lecture.